Today I am going to explain some problems on integration by using some special methods. In that, the method 1 has 3 models. In that, first model is in the form of integration of 1 by ax square plus bx plus c into dx. So it may be converted into the following ways. In the first one, integration of 1 by a square plus x square into dx, that equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus a, or it may be converted into integration of 1 by a square minus x square into dx, that equal to 1 by 2a into log mod a plus x by a minus x plus c, or it may be converted into the form of 1 by x square minus a square into dx, that equal to 1 by 2a into log mod x minus a by x plus a plus c. Now second model, here the problems in the form of 1 by root a square ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Here also it may be converted into three methods again. So in the first one, integration of 1 by root ax square plus bx square into dx, that equals sin h inverse of x by a plus c. Or it may be converted into the form of integration of 1 by root a square minus x square into dx, that equal to sin inverse of x by a plus c. Or also may be convert into the form of integration of 1 by root x square minus a square into dx, that equal to cos h inverse of x by a plus c. Next, model 3. Here the problems in the form of integration of root ax square plus bx plus c into dx. Here it may be also converted into 3 ways again. So in the first one, integration of root a square plus x square into dx. This can be written as x by 2 into root a square plus x square plus a square by 2 into sin h inverse of x by a plus c. Or it may be convert into the form of integration of root a square minus x square into dx, that equal to x by 2 into root a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sin inverse of x by a plus c. Or it may be convert into the form of integration of root x square minus a square into dx, that equal to x by 2 into root x square minus a square minus a square by 2 into cos h inverse of x by a plus c. Based on these problems I am explained in my previous video, I am sharing this link in this video at the end of this video. So please watch the video to understand the problems. So let me do some problems based on model 1. So here the problem. So here denominator is a quadratic expression, so I am converting into monic. For that I am taking 2 common from the denominator. So it becomes integration of 1 by 2 into x square plus 3 by 2 into x plus 4 by 2 is nothing but 2 into dx. Now is a monic expression. Now I am converting the monic expression to complete square form. So that equal to integration of 1 by 2 into integration of here x square, here x plus write the quotient of half of the quotient of 3 by 2, that is 3 by 4, keep it in square, minus write the square of 3 by 4, that is 9 by 16, write the remaining constant plus 2 as it is. Now simplify this one. So that equal to 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by x plus 3 by 4 whole square, here 16 2s are 32, 32 minus 9 is 23, 23 by 16 into dx. Next, by simplification it becomes 1 by 2 into integration of 1 by x plus 3 by 4 whole square plus 23 by 16 can be written as root 23 by 16 whole square. It is in the form of integration of 1 by a square plus x square into dx. So that equal to 1 by a into tan inverse of x by a plus c. By applying in this 1 by 2 into 1 by a, here a means root 23 by 16 into tan inverse of x nothing but x plus 3 by 4 by a means root 23 by 16. By simplification it becomes 1 by 2 into 1 by root 23 by 16 nothing but root 23 by 4. By taking this reciprocal it becomes 4 by root 23 into tan inverse of 4x plus 3 by root 23 plus c. So by cancellation it becomes 2 by root 23 into tan inverse of 4x plus 3 by root 23 plus c. So observe the bracket ones here, 4 into x, 4x plus 3 by 4, here root 23 by 4, denominator to denominator cancel, so it becomes 4x plus 3 by root 23. So see the next model. Here is a monic quadratic expression. I am writing in the complete square form, so it becomes 1 by root over x plus, write the quotient of x, half of the quotient of x, that is 2 of is 1, so it becomes x plus 1 whole square minus, write the square of 1, that is 1 plus 26 into dx. By simplification it becomes integration of 1 by root x plus 1 whole square plus 26 minus 1 25 into dx. So next it becomes integration of 1 by root x plus 1 whole square plus 25 can be written as 5 square. So it is in the form of integration of 1 by root a square plus x square into dx, nothing but sin h inverse of x by a. So by applying in this, sin h inverse of x plus 1 by 5 plus a. So I think you are understanding this video. So if you like this video, please like it, share it, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for watching of my next videos. Thank you.